how to take scrolling screenshot. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to take a scrolling screenshot on your smartphone. To do this, you can actually use the app's built-in feature. So normally how you actually take a screenshot is just by holding onto your power button and then the volume button at the same time, right? And if you want to take a scrolling screenshot, you quickly gonna go ahead and tap on this arrow icon at the bottom of the page, and then you have to go ahead and take a scrolling screenshot like this. You could go and expand it, and then if you're sure about it, click on the save button, and this way you'll be able to take a scrolling screenshot. Now Chrome has a built-in feature, so you could do the same thing. Just go ahead and normally take a screen or snap, and just like that. So here you want to hold on to your side button and then the volume button, and quickly click on this upward arrow icon as well as downward, and then you want to go to locate what you actually want to take, and then you want to go ahead and screenshot this. So this is the way you could go ahead and take a scrolling screenshot. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.